Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop or disable autoplay videos or audio in your Firefox browser. If you want to stop playing automatic video or audio in your Firefox browser, here are the fixes. Open Firefox browser in your system, Windows 11 or 10. Click on three horizontal line against top right corner and choose settings. Here from the appeared menu, scroll down and here go to the section privacy and security. Here scroll down and you will find the option autoplay. Under permissions you will find autoplay options. Click on settings and here click on a small arrow against default for all websites and choose block audio and video, and your audio and video in your Firefox browser will no more playing automatically. That's all.